helpful day. English for beginners.
Excuse me, do you need any help?
Oh, yes, please. I'm looking for the Grand Palace.
It is not far from here. You go straight and turn left.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it takes about 10 minutes, or you can take a tuk-tuk.
Thank you. By the way, where can I find good food?
There is a famous pad thai shop around the corner. It's very delicious.
That sounds great. Is it expensive?
No, it's very cheap, only 60 baht.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip in Thailand.
Unexpected meeting. Oh, it's you again. What a surprise.
Hi, Mina. I'm so happy to see you here.
Are you finished with your city tour?
Yes, the Grand Palace was very beautiful.
I'm glad you liked it. It's my favorite place. Would you like to join me? This table is free.
Thank you. I'd love to. It's very hot outside today.
You should try this iced Thai tea.
Is it sweet? I like drinks with less sugar.
Yes, you can order it with less sugar.
Do you work in this area?
Yes, I teach English at a school nearby.
That's great. I am a graphic designer.
A designer? Do you work in an office?
No, I work with my laptop everywhere.
How long is your trip in Thailand?
I'm staying here for 2 more weeks.
Do you like the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the mountains. I like fresh air.
Me too. Chiang Mai is perfect for you.
Where should I go for dinner tonight?
You should visit the night market with us.
Really? I would love to join you.
Great. Let's exchange our line IDs now.
Okay, here is my ID. See you later.
The Night Market Adventure. Welcome to the night market, David. It's so lively tonight, right?
Wow, there's so many food stalls. Everything smells amazing.
I'm starving. What do you want to try first?
That grilled pork looks delicious. What is it called?
We call it mu ping. It's my favorite. Let's get some.
I'll get 5 sticks. How much is it usually?
It's very cheap. Maybe 12 baht per stick. I'll get 10 for us.
Deal. The sauce is a bit spicy, but so good.
Your face is getting red. Need some water?
Yes, please. I need a cold bottle of water immediately.
Look at those elephant pants over there. You should buy a pair.
Maybe. Do they have this blue one in large?
Yes, it's 200 baht. You look like a fashion model.
I feel like a local now. Thank you, Mina.
You're welcome, but don't forget, you're paying for the dessert.
Mango sticky rice. I've been waiting for this all night.
Careful or you won't fit in your new pants.
It's vacation time. No calories today.
That's a good rule. What a fun night.
Can we come back again next week?
Sure, there are many other markets to explore. Lost and found.
Oh no, Mina, I think I have a big problem.
What's wrong, David? You look so worried.
I can't find my wallet. I think I dropped it somewhere.
Don't panic. When did you last use it?
At the ticket machine about 5 minutes ago.
Let's run back to the information counter.
I'm so nervous.
Let's ask the staff first.
Excuse me, I lost my wallet. Has anyone found it, please?
The officer is asking for the color. It's brown, right?
Yes, it's a small brown leather wallet. My ID is inside.
He's checking the lost and found box. Wait.
Please tell me it's there.
Look, is that brown one yours?
Yes, that's it. Oh, thank goodness.
You're so lucky.
I can't believe I got it back. Thank you for helping me, Mina.
No problem, but you need to be more careful, mister.
I know. I was too busy looking at the train map.
At least we have everything now. Let's get to the platform.
Where are we heading today? Somewhere fun?
We're going to the floating market. It's very famous.
A floating market? Do we shop from boats?
Yes, it's a very cool experience. You'll love the vibes.
I'm putting my wallet in my front pocket this time.
Very smart. Let's go, adventurer.
Floating market.
Wow, look at all these boats. This is crazy.
The real Thai vibe.
Is she cooking on that boat? It smells amazing.
That's boat noodles. You have to try.
Eating on a boat? This is so cool.
Careful. Don't move too much or we'll tip over.
I'll be still. Wow, this soup is so rich.
Right? It's a local secret. Would you like to see some souvenirs next?
Yeah, I want something for my office.
Look at those handmade crafts. Very unique.
Thanks for showing me around. I'm a bit tired, but it's worth it.
You're welcome. Before you fly back home, I'll take you for a Thai massage in Bangkok.
A Thai massage? That sounds perfect for my sore legs.
Trust me, it's the best way to relax. Let's go. Relax time.
My legs are killing me. We walked so much at the floating market yesterday.
I have a treat for you. Let's go for a Thai massage.
I've seen videos of people screaming. Is it wrestling?
No, it fixes you. Just trust me.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh, what is she doing to my legs?
She is stretching you. Don't resist. Just breathe.
Ouch! I feel like a human pretzel. Is this normal?
Your face is priceless. Breathe through it.
Actually, wait, that feels incredible now.
See? I told you. The tension leaves your body.
I feel like a new person. Can I stay here all day?
No, we have to pack your bags. It's your last night in Thailand.
Time flies so fast. I'm going to miss this place.
I hope you enjoyed every moment here, especially our crazy massage.
I did. I'll even miss these elephant pants. I might wear them on the plane.
Why not? You look like a real local now.
Exactly. They're so comfortable. Thank you for taking care of me.
You're welcome. Get some rest. I'll drive you to the airport tomorrow.
I'm ready. Let's make the most of our last few hours.
Let's go to the airport. Good morning, David. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am. But I have 2 big suitcases. They are heavy.
No problem. Let me help you. Put them in the back of the car.
Thank you, Mina. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Okay, let's start. Do you have the map?
Yes, I have GPS on my phone. Go straight and turn left at the corner.
Great. How long is the drive to the airport?
It says 45 minutes. Traffic is not bad today.
That's good. Did you pack everything? Passport, phone?
Yes, I checked my bag 3 times. Everything is here.
I am happy you liked the car ride. Thailand is beautiful, right?
It is amazing. I don't want to leave.
Don't worry. You can come back again next year.
I promise. I will visit you again.
Looking forward to it. Now, tell me, left or right?
Turn right here. We are almost there.
Goodbye and safe flight. We are here, Suvarnabhumi Airport. Let's look at the flight board.
Okay, my flight is TG910. Oh, it is at row G.
Great, your flight is on time. Let's go to row G to drop your bags.
Everything is done. I have to go to the gate now.
We must say goodbye here. Non-passengers cannot go inside.
Oh, right. Wait, I have a small gift for you, Mina.
For me? Oh, thank you. It is a keychain.
Yes, to remember our trip. You are the best friend.
I'm so happy. Please text me when you arrive home.
I promise. Thank you for everything. I will miss Thailand.
Take care, David. Safe flight and have a good trip.
Goodbye, Mina. See you again soon.
Goodbye.